All right, back talking about these harmonic movements. We get a lot of calls. I'm gonna try to put out videos from calls we get from people that don't read the instructions, but you know what? I'm a guy, so I don't read the instructions either. I just kind of fumble through things, but I've been dealing with these long enough. So a lot of times they'll call up and say, well, it's only chiming on the hour when I set the time, but not on the quarter hour. If you've got this set to the on position, let me move this out of the way. So I've got it set at 24 hours on. It's hard to see that little switch, but got it set for 24 hours on. So it's supposed to chime every 15 minutes. I've got it set up over here on the Westminster. That 4x4 means chiming every 15 minutes. But if you manually turn this, it does not chime every 15 minutes. It only does it on the hour. So, well, let me let it finish going through. Okay, so it's not going to chime every 15 minutes. So it's not going to chime every 15 minutes when you do it manually. But all you need to do is set it to the correct time. And once you set it to the correct time, just let it go. After it chimes at the top of the hour, then it'll reset itself and start chiming at the quarter hour. So we get a lot of calls, a lot of emails about that. So it is in the instructions, but we don't read the instructions. So hopefully this will help.